हमारे घर में जब पहली दफ़ा इंटरनेट आया था तो हम उसको डिस्कनेक्ट ही नहीं करते थे।
तो इनको तो पता ही नहीं कि असली चैलेंज होता क्या है।
This generation has its own set of challenges. I got this opportunity in HR.
What was your drive in those initial days?
Earning money was great. Culture जो होता है ना वो collective behaviors होते हैं.
What does make like Jazz World a culture better or different than other large companies in the country?
एक तो हम young talent hire करते हैं. Every success has got a lot of blood and sweat behind it.
What's the most unusual job you've had?
Motherhood.
Hello and welcome everyone to another episode of the Digital Pakistan podcast. I'm your host Asma Ijaz Khan, and today we're here for the first episode of this new year. I'm sure you can see a bit of the changes in the studio. We've got a new light, we got some new mics. Thankfully, we had a great year last year, so we decided to invest some more money into our setup so that we can bring a better version for you. And इसी progression वगैरह की conversation को चलाते हुए आगे, I was thinking, what is the kind of topic that we can start this year with? And I thought, why don't we discuss something that's important for you, for me, and everybody that aspires to work or, start a professional journey at some point? I'm talking about HR. Sometimes the thing that stands between us and the job that we really, really want. So, and we were really lucky कि हमें पता चला market में, we just identified that there has been a top employer certification done. So we got top employer, top people person to sit with us to have this conversation. Welcome to the podcast, Tazeen, and thank you so much for taking out the time.
Thank you so much for inviting me, Asma.
There are going to be a lot of tough questions because आपको पता है ना HR के साथ लोग का किस तरह का ताल्लुक है. So I hope you're ready for that.
Absolutely.
Okay, great. So starting off, हमारा जो show का standard इस तरह से कि the introduction is done by the guests themselves. Like we want you to say whatever you want to about yourself. You can talk about your personal journey, professional journey, but we want to understand कि who Tazeen is as a person and how did she get to this point.
Okay, thank you so much for giving me the time to introduce myself. So, Asma, I never thought that I will be in HR, first of all. I was always a numbers person. I did my bachelor's in mathematics. I did my MBA in finance. And then I stumbled upon the HR job. And honestly, after I started working in HR, I never looked back. I started my journey in HR from a multinational bank. I met some fantastic people there who helped me grow my journey. And उसके बाद से I've never looked back. And I think HR to एक चीज जो होती है कि you need to have number acumen for you to contribute towards the business decisions, business conversations. So I feel that this is really important, and that has helped me in my journey. And I've moved industries, which is
Yeah.
a scary thing for a lot of people to do, but I have done that, and I think that is part of the reason that has helped me in terms of achieving growth. So now I'm here in Telugu. This is again the first time I've ever been working for a telecom, which we're pivoting now, becoming a digital operator, so a digital or a tech company.
Yeah. But I would like to understand what was young Tazeen thinking that she chose to do, numbers, maths, and then finance.
See, young Tazeen was always wanted to make a mark. So no, that drive was always there. Obviously, clarity wasn't there. I did not know what I wanted to do, but I knew that I wanted to do something. So, being the traditional ambition of taking the easy subjects in your undergrad and taking the easiest subjects for your further studies was never one of my no, कभी भी नहीं. मैंने कभी ऐसा नहीं सोचा because and I think that actually helps build your personality, because if you're not scared of doing difficult or challenging things, which helps you achieve bigger things in life. So शुरू से हाँ, clarity बिल्कुल भी नहीं थी what I wanted to do. But I think if once you put your mind to it, तो वो path खुद ही खुलता चला जाता है.
And listening to that, I understand now कि आपने industries क्यों change किए, risk क्यों लिया, because you are always welcoming towards a challenge, right?
Yes.
So that is exactly what has been happening in your life so far.
True.
Great. अच्छा, तो हमारा जो फॉर्मेट है ना वो हम थोड़ी टाइमलाइन बेसिस पे करते हैं, पास्ट, प्रेजेंट एंड फ्यूचर. सो वील स्टार्ट ऑफ विद द पास्ट सेगमेंट. पहले तो आई वुड लाइक टू अंडरस्टैंड व्हेन यू वर अ यंग किड, व्हाट डिड टेक्नोलॉजी लुक लाइक बैक देन, एंड इफ यू हैव एनी फनी इंस्टेंसेस ऑफ योर एक्सपीरियंस विद इट.
Because my generation was the generation which actually got hold of, I know you would not relate to it, but all of my school life, we did not have internet. Okay. Yes, we did not. We had, yes, yes, and then now you guess my age, but we had internet when I was in college, और उस सब भी ना वो dial up internet होता था, and it was something which was so unique, that we were so fascinated by it कि वो और वो dial up में भी होता था, if you get disconnected, फिर आपको मौका नहीं मिलता था दोबारा कनेक्ट होने का,
Yeah.
because everybody else was hogging on their
Yeah.
network. So I think that is a funny thing, because if I look back, we take so many things for granted now. We don't even think कि हमारे पास connectivity या
Yeah.
access नहीं होगी. So that, but my generation was lucky that we got the access at the right time when we were starting college or starting the practical life. So मुझे याद है कि हमारे घर में जब पहली दफ़ा इंटरनेट आया था, तो हम उसको डिस्कनेक्ट ही नहीं करते थे।
Okay. हाँ,
बिकॉज़ अगर डिस्कनेक्ट हो जाएगा तो
फिर
हमारे पास
दोबारा कर
मुश्किल होगा।
या
या
डू यू हैव किड्स टू सी?
येस, आई हैव 3 किड्स।
सो अभी आप जब अपने टीनेज को अपने बच्चों के लाइफ के साथ कंपेयर करती हैं, डू यू फील लाइक देयर इज अ ह्यूज डिफरेंस एंड समटाइम्स यू फील लाइक उनको तो पता ही नहीं कि असली चैलेंज होता क्या है?
एक्चुअली हर जनरेशन ही यही समझती है।
हम्म,
Right? My parents used to think that we did not know what actual challenge is,
या
because they faced different life than we did. So no, I think that this generation has its own set of challenges, and I feel that social media has actually increased those challenges. And I feel that my childhood and my young adulthood was still insulated, because we were only comparing ourselves with the person next to us, or maybe the 30 people in our
या
class, or maybe 200 people in our college, or wherever. But now this young generation has to, they actually compare themselves with millions of people, and I think that has a very strong impact on their mental well-being. So no, I feel that
you had
yes, I wouldn't say easy, but yes, it was different. But now I think that it is a bit difficult for the young generation. So my empathy towards them.
Yeah, nahin, that's true. I would also like to understand a bit more about your past life as a professional. जब आपने काम करना शुरू किया, usually when we start our first job, कोई ना कोई एक certain drive होती है. Sometimes for some people it's कि मैंने अपने पैसे कमाने हैं. कुछ लोग को होता है और मैंने घर से बाहर निकलना है. Some people have this dream, मैं आहिस्ता आहिस्ता इस जर्नी पे जाके CEO बनना चाहती हूँ. तो what was your drive in those initial days?
एक्चुअली मैंने कभी ये नहीं सोचा था कि मैं इतना लॉन्ग टर्म, अनफॉर्चुनेटली मैं ये बोल रही हूँ। सो ये जो ड्राइव है ना, ड्राइव इज़ मेरा सिर्फ़ ये होता था कि व्हाटएवर आई एम डूइंग, I needed to do the best possible that I can. So it wasn't, yes, earning money was great, because then you get this kind of freedom which you don't get if you're not making your own money.
Yeah.
Um, and I was a huge introvert. I did not, and I chose HR, and I was so bad and in presenting. I still remember my first presentation in the college was a disaster. It was crashed and burned. I'm sure people who were with me would still remember it. So to work on that muscle, which required such a
Yeah.
so much work, um, तो इतना मैंने इस तरह था कि जो भी काम करो ना उसको बेस्ट पॉसिबल करो. सो जो जब when I started doing it, so it started giving me results also, and then this sense of achievement that you get when you're working, that is my drive. Because if and honestly, don't compare yourself, and I don't compare myself with what others are doing. I set my own benchmark, and I see whether I've been able to achieve or surpass those benchmarks. So yeah.
Just becoming a better version of you by
Yes,
day.
and then honestly, things happen.
हाँ. Hmm. You don't always have to chase after things, right?
Actually, no. And I feel that if you've got this vision in your head, even a vague one, that this is the goal that you're working towards. For example, for me, the biggest high was this sense of achievement. So if I would do a project and I do it well, I would get this high. So I got hooked on that sense of achievement high, and I kept on chasing that. And once you when it and that kind of opened a lot of doors for me, because then you start building your brand. That is how you develop your own equity, whether you're working in any organization or you're with your colleagues, and that equity carries you forward.
Yeah. Because अक्सर बात करते हैं कि एक इंसान जो है ना, हाउ वी बिकम एज अडल्ट इज इन्फ्लुएंस्ड बाय हाउ वी ग्रू अप एज किड्स, राइट? जो हमारे घर का माहौल होता है एंड ऑल। बट व्हेन यू टॉक अबाउट प्रोफेशनल लाइफ, आई फील लाइक जो इनिशियल हमारी नौकरियां होती हैं, वो भी उसी तरह से हमें बड़ा कर रही होती हैं। सो
Absolutely.
व्हाट वाज योर प्रोफेशनल ब्रॉट अप लाइक?
As I said, when I was very lucky that when I started my first job, I worked with an amazing team. It was a very small team, and I kid you not, it's been what 25 years when you're still in touch. So those are the kind of relationships that we build, and that plays a big role in
Hmm.
what kind of a professional you become.
Yeah.
So yes, it absolutely. So where you start, who you work with, because I
Yeah.
totally believe that you're as good as the person next to you. If you choose mediocrity, if you choose to be okay, then you'll be okay. But if you want to achieve bigger things in life, then associate or be with people who have the same vision or the same goal.
Yeah. So do you agree that having a good manager can really set you up for life initially, and then having a bad manager can also, then very negatively affect your journey?
Well, yes, good manager helps you synthesize and crystallize your thought process. And also जैसे upbringing होती है, जैसे हमारे पेरेंट्स हमें बताते हैं कि ये चीज़ सही है, ये गलत है. Good manager does that, and it that helps you set you up for in your professional journey. Bad manager also actually teaches you a lot. We don't tend to look at those experiences as learning, because and I feel those learnings stay with you far longer than the good manager learning.
Yeah.
So
Yes.
you need to be open and always assess. देखो, किसी भी एक्सपीरियंस को अच्छा या बुरा connotation हम खुद देते हैं. It's in our head,
Hmm.
whether it's a good or a bad experience. An experience is an experience. If I learn from it, it's a good experience for me. So
Hmm.
that is how. So if you ask me, when I look back, I hardly see any bad managers. In fact, I've worked with fantastic people.
Lucky. I'd also say you're lucky then in that sense.
I even second that. I think yes, I've been extremely lucky. Yes.
Acha, is there a decision that you took early on in your career that आपको लगता है कि unconsciously it has, then changed the way you grew up in your professional journey?
Yes.
What was that?
So when I did my masters, I started teaching in the university where I did my masters from. So I was I was a lecturer. I was paid by the hour, and I was making decent money, good money. And then I got this opportunity in HR,
Hmm.
and it was a pay cut, and it was longer hours. When you're teaching, your
Yeah.
summers are off. I used to go take a class, come back home. I had so much time, but I was so upset that what am I going to do with all of that time? It's just a waste. And I took a pay cut, and I took the job. So and because I saw, and not that teaching is a bad profession, it's a great profession for people who want that kind of lifestyle.
Yeah.
But for me, I think I had too much energy and too much drive. So this is one decision. Had I not taken that decision, I don't
You would
think.
not be the CPO today.
Yes,
Yes. Yeah.
yes.
It changed everything actually.
And then there's another decision. With women, our lives are not linear, right? They're like topsy turvy. We get married, we have kids,
Yeah.
I also had kids. When I had kids, then I had an option to either continue full-time career, or take a step back and focus on raising children. These are
Yeah.
the two choices women have
Yeah,
in our
बिल्कुल.
society, right? या तो आप बच्चे बड़े कर
हाँ,
लेते हैं, या
can't
फिर
have it
आप.
all.
Yes. So you know what? There's another decision I took. I took a part-time job, and I was at a fairly senior level when I had my kids, and then a part-time job is a part-time job. It doesn't give you the kind of authority, it doesn't give you the kind of money, it doesn't give you any kind of it's not a very glamorous role. But I took it because, again, I wanted that fix of doing something. And I think that is also another decision which helped me, because the day I decided that I want to go back full time is the day I got a job, and
Because
it's
you stayed connected with you.
yes,
Yeah.
I stay.
But it must not have been easy, right? बच्चे आप पार्ट टाइम के साथ भी बड़े गए तो आसान तो नहीं है. They require
No, it's not. बिल्कुल नहीं. बिल्कुल आसान नहीं है, but it's a lot of, but then again, it depends on how badly you want it,
yeah.
right? Because if
Yeah.
you really want to be in the driving seat of your own life, then you really need to put in the work also. So it's not easy, but I feel that um, I would not have it any other way.
Yeah.
If I had to do it again, I'll do it again.
अब आपकी लीडरशिप स्टाइल के बारे में आई वांट टू अंडरस्टैंड बिकॉज़ यू आर द सीपीओ ऑब्वियसली कल्चर जो है वो एचआर ही ड्राइव करती है एंड एज़ द पर्सन ऑन टॉप you have a lot of influence. Do you feel like जो leadership style आपका अभी है, is it something you were born with या time के साथ साथ based on your learnings and experiences you've picked up on a few things and identified कि this is how I should be?
No, nobody is born with it. One needs to be very open and very how do I say it? आपको ना अपना एक एहतसाब भी करते रहना चाहिए, you need to reflect on what are the development areas. I wouldn't say weaknesses. What are your development areas? What are your strengths? And then capitalize on the strength and work on the development areas. I also had the same. Um, and culture की जो बात करी ना, तो culture is just a lot of people feel, जैसे तुमने भी बोला कि कल्चर एचआर की एचआर ड्राइव करता है, बट एक्चुअली नो, कल्चर की ना जो फाउंडेशन है, बिल्डिंग ब्लॉक्स है, वो एचआर डिफाइन ज़रूर कर देता है, बट कल्चर जो होता है ना, वो कलेक्टिव बिहेवियर्स होते हैं, और कलेक्टिव बिहेवियर्स हर इंडिविजुअल इंसान की रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी होते हैं. सो दैट इज़ हाउ द कल्चर ऑफ एन ऑर्गेनाइजेशन इज बिल्ड, एंड इट्स अ कलेक्टिव रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी एंड कलेक्टिव एफर्ट ऑल्सो. सो या.
If someone that you worked with 10 years ago or 15 years ago will meet you today, सबसे major difference वो आप में क्या notice करेंगे?
I hope nothing. Well, actually, I continue to meet with people I've been working. Yes, as I said, I tend to keep relationships which are worth keeping in my life, whether personal or professional. And I do, and I actually, there are a few people जिनके साथ मैंने अपना करियर शुरू किया था. मैं आज भी उनसे in touch हूँ. Um, I don't know. You'll have to ask them. So I don't know if there is a difference or not.
Okay, ठीक है. अच्छा, so we'll move on to our first gaming segment. वो इसी का थोड़ा सा continuation because it's called Up Close and Personal. But we'll ask you direct questions about your personal life now. Are you ready?
Absolutely.
What is the most difficult decision you've had to make at work?
At work,
Yeah. Is it firing people because you're in HR?
yes. You know, it's difficult. It is not easy, and no matter how many times, and
Mhm.
I don't say firing people. It is, see it. I look at it as a sports team. Hmm? So when you have a sports team, you have a football team, and the coach is how I look at the CEO or HR or the line manager even. They put the best people in the field. They put the
Mm.
best people in the field because they want to win the game.
Hmm.
And it is no reflection on anybody's capabilities. So, but it is not easy to decide
Yeah.
whether this person who was the great person in the previous match is the person who's going to win you the next match. So I feel that these decisions, and HR has to make these decisions more often than
Yeah.
others, because आप एक line manager होते हैं, तो आपके पास कभी कभी ये opportunity होती है. मेरे पास I have to make these calls. So yeah, it's not easy.
What's the most unusual job you've had?
Motherhood.
Yeah, an interesting answer. So what's your favorite Pakistani tech startup?
My favorite Pakistani tech startup would be Food Panda. Because without Food Panda, I don't think I'll be able to survive.
Yeah, I agree. If you could trade lives with anyone, who would it be?
Actually, no one. No.
Yeah, that's a great answer.
No.
Shows like contentment and
No,
peace.
no, I'm very happy with my life. Alhamdulillah, I think I'm very blessed. I have a wonderful family. I have support systems. No, no one.
That's great. So what's the one thing you hate about your job?
Actually, again, nothing. गलत आंसर होगा अगर मैं बोलूँ nothing.
कुछ तो होगा ना Dazeen, even if it's the best job ever, कुछ तो होगा. कोई एक छोटी चीज तो होगी है. You wish you could change it.
देखो, एक I feel it's a trait. I don't know how, whether I worked at it or it's I'm sure it's not. People who know me, they will say कि नहीं, ये गलत बात बोल रही हो. But we focus on the good things, because it is so easy to look at the black spot on the white wall, right? So you forget about everything. So I try. Yes, I have fantastic colleagues, but sometimes कभी हम argue भी करते हैं. But if I get fixated on those, then my other aspect of the job gets impacted. So no, I tend to focus on the good things.
What a great mindset. अच्छा, if you were a superhero, who would you be?
Iron Man.
Self-made. I get it.
मैंने बगैर without even
Yeah,
thinking,
आपके पास
was this my
personality
favorite
है.
is my favorite superhero.
हाँ, self-made and all, I get it. So what's the most daring thing you've done in your career?
Move cities.
Hmm.
Yes, that was I moved into a new industry. I moved to a new city. I moved my kids. And they were at this, their O levels. They were doing their O levels. So I think that was the
Yeah.
big. But again, I wanted to do that so bad that I did it.
या आप अपने बच्चों को भी ट्रेन करें कि लाइफ में ऐसी रिस्क लेते हैं, चैलेंजेस
Hopefully,
एक्सेप्ट करते
Asma.
हैं.
Hopefully,
या
उम्मीद है मुझे.
डू यू हैव अ सीक्रेट टैलेंट?
No.
तो कोई गाना शाना नहीं है?
हाँ, थोड़ा-सा आ जाता है बट मैं बोलूँगी नहीं इसलिए फिर जब ये बात बोलते हैं तो लोग कहते हैं आप गा के दिखा दें सो
ओके, ठीक है. इज देयर एनीथिंग दैट यू रिग्रेट?
नो।
ग्रेट माइंडसेट लाइक आई सेड.
नो बिकॉज़ देखो अगर रिग्रेट के बारे में मैं सोचूँगी तो फिर मुझे और रिग्रेट होगी राइट? सो मूव फॉरवर्ड आगे देखो, आगे बढ़ो।
या
लाइफ इज़ अ जर्नी हर एक की हर तरह की जर्नी होती है। यू
Yeah,
लुक
that's a nice mindset. What's one piece of advice you would give your younger self?
ऑल इज़ गोइंग टू बी ओके।
Were you the kind of person who used to get a lot like very stressed about PTC,
यस, यस, यस।
but things work out in you?
थिंग्स वर्क आउट बिकॉज़ आप थोड़े से ज़्यादा you're always and I feel women do it more often than men. We're very self-critical and things normally are far worse in our heads
Yeah.
than they are in real life, right? So this is one what I would want to tell my young self that you know it's always worse in your head than it actually is.
Yeah, very valid advice. You did really well on the
No?
gaming segment actually. सारे
Thank you.
आपने अच्छे से जवाब दे दिए. Moving on to the present segment. Before we talk about your job and everything, I would like to understand कि Tazeen as a person, what does she feel proud about the fact कि उन्होंने क्या community के साथ किया, you know, the way of giving back because of your role, position. Do you feel like there are certain things you've done?
हाँ, 2-3 चीज़ें हैं। मैंने जब अपना करियर स्टार्ट किया था ना सो माय स्ट्रेंथ वाज़ टैलेंट एक्विजिशन या हायरिंग जिसको आप कहते हैं। मुझे जो सबसे ज़्यादा मज़ा आता था ना जब आप एंड ऑब्वियसली आई वाज़ यंग एंड आई वाज़ हायरिंग पीपल एंड व्हेन यू pick up the phone and call that person that you've gotten the job and I've had some fantastic reactions किसी की उस ज़माने में किसी ने घर के लैंडलाइन पे कॉल करो तो मदर ने उठा लिया and then the happiness so
Yeah.
I feel that was one and the other thing is that I also been part of Pakistan Society for Human Resource Management. It's a local body, national
Hmm.
level, and where heads of HR from leading organizations we volunteer.
Hmm.
And the reason why we volunteer our time is because HR has always been looked at as a very transactional admin type of a role,
Hmm.
and we wanted to help other organizations um, develop their HR better. So हमारे मेरे पास बहुत अच्छे बहुत ज़बरदस्त HR heads हैं जो उधर volunteer करते हैं. So I think that is one way of giving back to the society if
Hmm.
we have better organization, world class organizations that are Pakistani.
Hmm.
I'm a very patriotic person as well. So that gives me this kind of pride.
अच्छा, मूविंग ऑन टू आपकी प्रोफेशनल उसकी तरफ, जैज़ वर्ल्ड रिसेंटली मैंने सुना है यू गाइस गॉट द टॉप एम्प्लॉयर सर्टिफिकेशन डन. व्हाट डज दिस मीन टू यू एज अ सीपीओ? बिकॉज़ ऑब्वियसली राइट, जब आप एक कंपनी का कल्चर वगैरह ड्राइव कर रहे होते हैं एंड यू गेट दिस काइंड ऑफ रिकॉग्निशन, इट मस्ट बी अ ग्रेट थिंग पहली बात तो.
It was. As I said, मैं बहुत पेट्रियोटिक हूँ और ये सिर्फ मैं नहीं हूँ मुझे व्हेन आई जॉइन जैज़ there's one thing in common in the senior leadership is that we feel a lot for Pakistan and it's driven from the top. We really want कि पाकिस्तान प्रोग्रेस करे, पाकिस्तान आगे जाए. सो जब हम अपनी लोकल ऑर्गेनाइजेशंस की बात करते हैं ना एंड आई थिंक दैट वी हैव अ लोकल ऑर्गेनाइजेशन विद इंटरनेशनल इन्वेस्टर सो हमारी जो बेस्ट प्रैक्टिसेस हैं क्या वो ग्लोबल बेंच प्रैक्टिसेस के बराबर हैं या उनसे बेहतर हैं सो नो दीज आई ऑलवेज यूज्ड टू वंडर एंड आई ऑलवेज यूज्ड टू थिंक नॉट बिफोर आई जॉइन जैज़ दैट मे बी people in the west their HR practices would be something really wow or superb and how
Yeah.
can we become such organizations we hear about Google, we hear about Amazon, we hear or
Hmm.
um so this certification actually tells us that our HR practices at Jazz, people practices, are at par and if not better
Hmm.
than the global benchmark. ये एक international body है which looks at your people practices and audits it. and then gives you a score and a certification. So I'm very, very, it gives me a sense of pride, not because it's just Jazz, it's because it's a
Yeah.
Pakistani company. The global benchmark was like 85%, and Jazz scored like 93% on our people practices. So this shows us that, on a scale, when we look at these global giants, so we are also there as a Pakistani company there somewhere.
It's some level of representation, right?
Yes.
Which is nice. आपके ख्याल से वैसे what does make like jazz world a culture better or different than other large companies in the country?
एक जो चीज़ है ना जो हमारी बहुत मुख्तलिफ है, वो ये कि एक तो हम यंग टैलेंट हायर करते हैं, एंड देन वी गिव दोज यंग टैलेंट a lot of responsibility and an opportunity to make their mark. Even if you go to the Jazz offices, you will see this buzzing energy. And that buzzing energy comes from the young talent that we have. So I
Yeah.
feel this is a little a lot of organizations in our country are very hierarchical. आपको एक box में रख देते हैं, and then you need to really continue in that box, and then you progress, and then it takes time. It's not like that. If you go to Jazz Cash, you'll find very, very young people, maybe under 30, 35,
Yeah.
having senior leadership roles. So I think this is very different, which sets us apart.
One thing I've noticed अब जब हम लोग इंटरव्यूज करते हैं पॉडकास्ट के पर लॉट ऑफ द टाइम सीनियर मैनेजमेंट के लोग ही आते हैं comparing them to you, when you entered and asked, oh, she's wearing like a leather jacket, she looks really cool. So I'm like, okay, this is the culture that you have in your company
ये
also.
मेरा वर्क अटायर है, आई थॉट कि मैं शायद कोई
Yeah, so
ब्लेजर
like,
पहन लूं,
हाँ.
but then I said नहीं चलो.
So this is your normal natural
Yes.
attire, right? जो आप लोग
Yes.
ऑफिस में लेके फिरते हैं. It must be very great for a company that is open in that idea कि नहीं आप you don't have to look a certain way or all. क्योंकि with Gen Z, especially with Gen Z, right? They want to be able to express themselves the way they want, and clothing is just a part of it.
Absolutely.
Yeah, that was one thing I noticed. I'm very glad कि this is how you present.
Yeah, so we encourage people to bring yourself to work,
Yeah.
because then you focus on what you can do. So if you're not
बिल्कुल.
yourself, then
That's also a huge part of someone feeling comfortable and happy at their job.
yes, of course, and inclusive.
बिल्कुल। अच्छा कल्चर के बारे में ना तो एवरीबॉडी इज़ टॉकिंग आप लिंक्डइन खोलें एवरी कंपनी हैज़ समथिंग टू से अबाउट देयर कल्चर बीइंग द बेस्ट एंड ऑल। ऑन पेपर प्रैक्टिसेस एंड पॉलिसीज़ तो होती हैं, वी अलाउ दिस, वी अलाउ दैट, बट उसको इम्प्लीमेंटेशन भी जब हम देखते हैं तो मोस्ट ऑर्गनाइजेशन फेल इन दैट एरिया। हाउ डू यू मेक श्योर कि इट्स नॉट जस्ट समथिंग ऑन पेपर बट एक्चुअल में
इसका जो सबसे बड़ा मैट्रिक्स है ना, या अ मेजर है, हमारे पास जो लिंक्डइन पे बहुत सारी पीपल रिलेटेड पोस्ट आती हैं,
हुँ,
दे आर नॉट ड्रिवन फ्रॉम एचआर। वो हमारे जैज़ की ऑफिशियल उससे नहीं आती हैं।
हुँ,
They are mostly employees putting, and nobody can force people to put something positive,
या
right? So they do it themselves. So I feel that's a big testament as to maybe whatever we are doing is right, and one needs to be authentic and consistent. You can't, and honestly fair and transparent. These are the few principles that we abide by, and which I think helps us in ensuring that our people practices are best in the global benchmark level.
या ट्रू। जैसे कि आप लोग टेक इंडस्ट्री में काम करते हैं एंड वी नो कि टेक इंडस्ट्री इज नॉट एन ईजी इंडस्ट्री टू सर्वाइव इन, राइट? देयर इज सो मच प्रेशर, एक तो कांस्टेंट इनोवेशन की
Oh
रिक्वायरमेंट होती है,
yes.
गवर्नमेंट रेगुलेशंस हैं, कंज्यूमर डिमांड है, इतना कुछ है। इस सब के दरमियान में हाउ डू यू मेक श्योर कि जो एक एम्प्लॉय एक्सपीरियंस है, उनकी वेल बीइंग है, इमोशनल स्टेबिलिटी है, उसको आप इंटैक्ट रखें सो दे आर एबल टू परफॉर्म देयर जॉब्स द राइट वे?
That's a very good question, and it's a high pressure job. I mean, like, it's a high pressure environment because of we are in an industry, as you said, it's changing. It's changing. I think everything impacts it the most because of our reach, because of
Yeah.
business. Um, Mental well-being के लिए we kind of only hire or bring those people on board which has the same level of drive to create an impact, the urgency. So they get their high from actually pushing forward. I think anybody who really want a very structured 9 to 5 kind of a routine would struggle. And it's not that कि हमारे पास कोई off time नहीं होता. I think we are one of the very few Pakistani companies left जहाँ पे हम flex day देते हैं. You can work from anywhere. We have a very we don't mark when people are coming to office. We don't mark when they're leaving because we trust them
Yeah.
to do the job. So, those are the kind of people who come and join us because they are the ones that gets energy from this. So,
Yeah.
so mental well-being, unki, we have a lot of traditional or conventional interventions जहाँ
Hmm.
पे हमारे पास काउंसलर्स हैं, हमारे पास फ्लेक्स डेज हैं, ऑल ऑफ दैट। बट आई फील जिस तरह के लोग हमारे पास काम करते हैं ना, वो दे क्वाइट रिजिलिएंट।
आप लोग शुरू में ही बड़ा अच्छा एक बंदा आइडेंटिफाई कर लेते हैं, कंपनी में लाना ही ऐसे बंदे को है, who's made for this industry.
या बिकॉज़ अगर अगर नहीं लेंगे तो आसपा दे विल स्ट्रगल देन।
Yeah, that's true. It's true. It's true. अच्छा, कल्चर के ऊपर ना मोस्ट पीपल थिंक के कल्चर इज जस्ट फॉर लाइक द लो लेवल एम्प्लॉइज। जब लीडरशिप की बारी आती है तो फिर उन पे वो इम्प्लीमेंट नहीं होता। ओ द पॉलिसी इज जस्ट फॉर मी नॉट माय बॉस, राइट? दैट्स द बेसिक सेंटिमेंट दैट पीपल हैव।
हुँ।
अब आप लोग की कंपनी जैज़ वर्ल्ड बनी तो इट लाइक यू गाइस हैव सो मेनी वर्टिकल्स। इट्स नॉट जस्ट वन बिल्डिंग और वन सेट ऑफ पीपल यू आर लुकिंग आफ्टर। इस सब के अंदर हाउ डू यू मेक श्योर दैट लीडरशिप इज आल्सो अकाउंटेबल एंड दे आर एक्चुअली प्रैक्टिसिंग व्हाट यू गाइस आर प्रीचिंग?
एक इंटरेस्टिंग चीज़ बताती हूँ। जब मैंने भी जॉइन किया था, व्हेन यू आर इन लीडरशिप, व्हेन यू थिंक ऑफ अ ट्रेडिशनल ऑर्गनाइजेशन, व्हेन यू थिंक ऑफ लीडरशिप, व्हाट डू यू फील? व्हाट डू यू सी? यू सी बिग रूम्स, you see
Hmm.
closed doors, you see,
Yeah.
you see मेरी पार्किंग स्पॉट ये है, और
Mhm.
a lot of pomp and bureaucracy and
Yeah.
a lot of, तो हमारे पास तो ऐसा कुछ भी नहीं होता। We have no rooms. um, I sit with my team. Absolutely, we only have meeting rooms. So, if you want to have a meeting, go to a meeting room. Even the CEO doesn't even have a room. So, it's not like के कि आपने किस तरीके से आप ऊपर लेवल पे अप्लाई नहीं हो रही और नीचे लेवल पे, सो वी क्वाइट ट्रांसपेरेंट दैट वे, एंड कल्चर इज अबाउट बिहेवियर, सो and it's driven from the top.
Hmm.
An organization can never have a cohesive or a robust culture अगर आप सिर्फ नीचे फोकस करेंगे। सो कल्चर हमेशा ऊपर से ड्राइव होता है, जो ऊपर सीनियर लीडरशिप बिहेव करती है उसी तरह नीचे लोग बिहेव करते हैं।
Yeah, true.
And yes, we are into verticals, different businesses, different industries, but हर industry का अपना culture होता है. If you look at fintech, it's different. If you look at technology, it's different. So we give room. We give room for them to have, different kind of culture.
But the core values remain the same.
Core values absolutely remain the same.
It's not like कि आप लोग का स्पेशल बिल्डिंग के टॉप पे एक स्पेशल एरिया है जहाँ सारे CXOs बैठते हैं, जहाँ की कॉफी मशीन भी डिफरेंट है, जहाँ का पेंट एंड फर्नीचर इज आल्सो डिफरेंट। ऐसा कोई
और
स्पेशल
हमारे पास
ट्रीटमेंट नहीं है।
नहीं, हमारे पास एक एरिया है जहाँ पे सिर्फ सीएक्सओ नहीं जाता, इट्स ओपन टू एवरीवन। बट वो यूज़ होता है अगर आपने कोई इवेंट करना है, सो इट इज़ नॉट लाइक कि वहाँ पे हम कोई जाके बहुत ही ख़ास मीटिंग्स करते हैं, नो, नथिंग लाइक दैट।
Like, that's great. Moving on to our next gaming segment, the hot take challenge. इसमें I would require some honesty from in the sense कि आपका जो authentic opinion है, whether it's controversial or not, I would like to hear it.
ओके,
ठीक है? Because these are some controversial statements.
ओके,
Are you ready?
ओके।
So women's contributions are more likely to be labeled as support rather than impact.
Somewhat true, because there are very few women in the business roles. And when you're in the business role, then it's easier to quantify the impact. So I don't think it's gender related.
Okay.
Yeah, because if you see some powerful women CEOs, then they do create impact.
Interesting. So we often use titles to compensate for the inability to give meaningful pay increase.
Mhm. Actually, this is not true for us, because मुझे बहुत पुश आती है कि आप टाइटल इन्फ्लेट कर दें, आप increase कर दें, and we resist, and we are a very flat organization. We really don't have too many grades. So we really want to give meaningful work, and if meaningful work comes with an increased title or increased grade, then good. If not, then not. So no.
Okay. So Gen Z is not entitled, they're just less willing to tolerate outdated culture.
Maybe yes.
Have you
Depends.
seen some difference with, the new kids that you're hiring? Ke unka management ka process is different than, how you used.
You know, okay, so I feel that the work ethics should be the same irrespective of generations, and we can't attribute a bad work ethics to any generational attitude, or the way they look at things.
Yeah.
And if it's, and think the word is changing. Maybe when people who are my senior, they started working, the world was very, very different. Nobody thought that there will be something called work from home.
True.
Nobody thought that, HR was also like that, आपने इतने बजे ऑफिस आना है, इतने बजे ऑफिस से जाना है, आपने ओवर टाइम करना, but that all has changed. But then it is not generation which is being impacted, it is everyone. So I think we put too much hype on this.
Gen Z thing.
Yeah,
So women in leadership are judged more for how they lead than what they deliver.
partially true. Because again, we have stereotypes for women. And any woman who breaks that stereotype stands out. And when they stand out, then people look at it. And then it's mostly behavior. So,
Yeah.
yes,
So hierarchy is the biggest barrier to innovation in Pakistani companies.
hierarchy and processes. Because if you're not allowed to experiment
Yeah.
and if you're not allowed to take risks and you're put in a box, then yes, maybe that's the reason why very few organizations have been able to innovate much.
Yeah, that's true. So long hours are still confused with loyalty in Pakistani companies.
Loyalty or hard work?
In loyalty, right? मतलब जितनी देर बैठेंगे उतने आप हार्ड वर्किंग है. आप 7 बजे ऑफिस से जा रहे हैं. वाओ, व्हाट अ हार्ड वर्किंग एम्प्लॉय.
हाँ, और ये कुड बी द अदर वे अराउंड कि आपने काफ़ी दिन इनएफिशिएंट हुआ, आपने मैनेज किया, और मेरे
Yeah.
ख्याल से मैं उस कैटेगरी में आती हूँ, क्योंकि मेरा पूरा दिन जो होता है वो लोगों से मिलने में गुज़र जाता है, और फिर मैं जब सब चले जाते हैं फिर मैं लैपटॉप खोलती हूँ, सो या
Interesting. The most people don't leave companies, they actually leave bad managers.
True.
And because that happened a lot around you also, we've seen chaos.
Yes, because your company is your manager, and or the kind of environment or the culture that person creates around you. Because even in an organization, a fantastic organization, there could be pockets of culture, and if it's not very conducive, and even if you ask me, for me, the biggest indicator whether I'm enjoying myself at work is my relationship with my line manager. So yes, absolutely true.
So HR is seen as the company's police, not as a partner.
Generally, yes. But this is, for me, it doesn't hold true at all, because I feel that no good head of HR will be able to get any change or influence any change if he or she doesn't take people along. Because, you need to take input. You can't create anything in a silo and then expect it to stick. It doesn't happen. So you're an enabler, so you're there to help the businesses and other colleagues grow. And that's the key difference between somebody who can create an impact and somebody who can't.
So culture fit is sometimes used as a polite way of saying you're different and we don't want you.
Agar cut to the bone, yes, because that means that you're not very inclusive. And culture is behavior. It's not how you look, it's how you behave. So for example, one of our leadership principles, and which resonates very, very closely to me, that's why I remember it quickly, is that we fight mediocrity. Now, so if you fight mediocrity, then no matter how you look, where you come from, if you exhibit the same behavior, then you're a culture fit.
Yeah. So pizza parties are not a substitute for fair compensation.
Very true. Very true. So you can't, you need to have pizza party. I'm not saying that pizza parties are not good,
Yeah.
because they help you bond, they help you, become a team. But absolutely, you need to pay fair, because if you don't pay fair, then you lose talent.
How women look at their job is also a very important part of their job.
Okay, yes. If I look at my job as to just a 9 to 5 thing and not just being a woman, it could be for any person, then it is going to be a very non-exciting journey for me.
No, I mean in the sense ke, how we dress up and everything. Oftentimes what happens is ke, normally we've seen that, right? आपने भी देखा होगा, मैंने भी देखा होगा. Me and my male colleague, we enter the office at the same time. They are judged on a different set of criteria. I'm going to be judged on a different set of criteria. So वो
I wouldn't say judged, but I would say noticed. Because perceived also in some way, because हमारे पास stereotypical again
हाँ.
stereotypes इतने हैं. अगर कोई you look at the jokes, अगर आप blonde हैं तो आप थोड़े not very intelligent है. So you get it. So a lot of these stereotypes we need to break, and judging women by the way they look is absolutely one of them.
Yeah, true. You did again really well on the gaming segment because
Okay.
you're really nice actually with this.
Thank you so much. No, you're actually very nice in shepherding this conversation.
Thank you so much. Now we'll move on to our final segment, conclusion to in future. So before I ask you about your company, I would like to understand कि whenever somebody comes up for this conversation, मैं उनसे पूछती हूँ कि हमारी जो audience है ना वो काफी young है. तो looking at these episodes, they're usually trying to seek some advice or guidance. So if you have one set of advice for the future generation, कि how do they prepare themselves better for what is coming?
Because what is coming is a lot of change.
Mm.
And it is it when I was growing up, we only saw the internet, which was just the start of the change. Now with the AI, um a lot of how we work, who does what is absolutely going to change. People who don't understand this is this, it's the same mindset. um when the cars were invented, nobody thought that how it's going to change our lives. How, when
Yeah.
internet was invented, nobody thought that we will be ordering food online and doing banking transactions online,
Yeah.
and won't need to leave the house. So it's the same with AI. So a lot of tasks are going to get taken over, and the young generation needs to be absolutely resilient, and they have to be very, very okay with change. And so for me, I feel that resilience is one attribute which everybody, and this is what I tell my kids also, that you can fall, but how fast you get up
Yeah.
is what's gonna matter.
Great advice. Um, Now talking about your company, आप लोग ने एक नई corporate identity launch की है. इतने अरसे से हम पहले jazz सुन रहे थे. Now it's Jazz World. So
Hmm.
is this just because you guys got bored of the name Jazz? So now it's Jazz World, or is there some other philosophy behind it?
Not at all. So it's an evolution. पहले हम सिर्फ एक टेलीकॉम प्रोवाइडर थे, सेल्युलर कंपनी, तो हम जैज़ थे। अब हम इतनी डिफरेंट वर्टिकल्स में चले गए हैं और जा रहे हैं, सो देन वी नीडेड वी शेपिंग और मॉर्फिंग इनटू अ conglomerate. So Jazz World is the name of the conglomerate. So under Jazz World, we have the cellular business, we have the fintech business, we have the digital business. So all of these businesses come under Jazz World. So it's not a change of name only; it's the change of
Yeah.
the entire business.
And is this going to affect the way you look at talent and organizational design? Obviously, because अब नए setup में आप जा रहे हैं तो.
Talent in the sense that we will be looking at different kind of talent now. For example, if it's fintech, that we will be looking for somebody who can contribute in the fintech industry. So talent requirement is going to increase tremendously, and I feel that we have more talent requirement than the talent to fill that need.
Yeah.
So absolutely, we always looking for great talent to hire. In fact, I'm sorry, this time around we will be हमारा एक प्रोग्राम होता है जो एंट्री लेवल होता है, जैज एसोसिएट. सो वी लुक एट पीपल हु आर आइदर फ्रेश ग्रेजुएट्स और मे बी 1 or 2 years of experience. Local organization, normal organizations take 20, 30, 40. This time we aim to take 100.
Oh, wow.
Yeah, and that's what I said, that we have the talent need because of the way we're expanding. So we will be taking these 100 people, training them, investing in them, and this program is going to get you the access to the best in class at a global level learning.
Yeah.
So it's a very exciting program, and we will be going to all local colleges and universities, and I recommend that people should go on a website and apply.
So even if they don't end up getting a job like or a future in jazz, it's still like creating the workforce for the future for the country as well.
Absolutely that. And जब आप किसी इवन फॉर एग्जांपल आप किसी से इंटरव्यू करने जाते हैं, एंड दिस इज माय एडवाइस टू यंग पीपल एज वेल, इट इज नॉट एन ऑर्डील. Think of it as an opportunity to make a connect,
Yeah.
right? And then if you get an internship, do the same. Create your network. If you get a job, do the same. Create the network. So I feel in today's day and age, लर्निंग किसी के लिए भी कोई मसला नहीं है, इंटेंट होनी चाहिए. द डिजायर टू लर्न शुड बी देयर.
I love how it's a very give and take kind of a situation with this program. आप आए आप हमसे सीखें
हाँ.
and आप में invest करेंगे and then you add value to my business also. So it's
Yes.
really nice that
No, and earlier, we used to, because हम इतने scale पे कर रहे हैं, but we are offering that more than 80% will be given a full-time job in Jazz. So, but one needs to really work. The reason why we don't offer full-time job in the beginning is because we really want people to work for it.
Trying to find
yeah,
a culture fit.
yeah, not the culture fit, but work for it, create the impact, and then rise to the top so that we get the best ones.
Yeah, that's great. अच्छा, because your company is also going into so many verticals and हमने भी AI वगैरह की बात की, the industry is changing, the consumer demands are changing and all. How do you make sure जो आपके employees हैं, they stay up to date with all these things and they're ready for the kind of future that is coming?
एक जो चीज, again, which I feel that we do differently, normal or other organizations I have also witnessed, is if you're in a role, you're offered learning opportunity connected to that role. अगर आप फाइनेंस में हैं तो आपने फाइनेंस रिलेटेड ही लर्निंग करनी है. Here, if you are in finance and you want to learn blockchain,
Hmm.
or you want to learn coding, Python, something in AI, you we give you the opportunity. So it is not, so we don't restrict you, so you map your own path. So this is something which I feel that is amazing. This is the reason why a lot of our employees, in fact, this time around hamari jo learning hours hai has grown 50% compared to last year. People themselves want to learn, and I think this is the biggest trend that we have, that we want this learning agility in everyone who's working for us.
So there's also a good reward system in place to make sure these employees are encouraged and motivated.
Actually, it has to come from within. I don't believe in putting a monetary reward to learning, because learning is your investment in yourself. We
Yeah.
give the tools, we give the opportunity, and how you take it forward is up to you. If you really want to create an impact and be an amazing professional and rise in your career, then you learn, and then you'll be rewarded that way. So not because कि आपने इतनी learning कर ली तो आपको कुछ मिल जाएगा. Not in that manner.
Because if we revisit this conversation 5 years later, तो क्या ऐसी चीजें होंगी जो आप कहेंगी, this was like my KPIs for success and I did a good job as a CPO.
If I am able to embed the new technology and AI, not just in the people's skill set, but also within the organization, and make it future ready. I think that would be my biggest
Yeah,
KPI. Yeah.
great. It's all tough.
Very
Very
challenge
tough.
definitely, yeah. Yeah, but I get life है, but I think exciting also. आसान चीजों में मजा नहीं आता ना फिर.
हाँ, वो तो आपको तो बिल्कुल भी नहीं आता, वो भी established. अच्छा, moving towards the conclusion of the podcast, हमारे ना दो traditions हैं. एक, the first one, which is everyone's favorite, that we do a giveaway. So any guest that comes in has to recite something.
Interesting. अच्छा, again, a बहुत non-glamorous giveaway होगा. I talked about AI, I talked about learning. For me, I'm an avid reader.
Okay.
I tried instilling this in my children. Mixed success. So I will give a book which I'm currently reading, which is AI First. It's a very pragmatic book on how AI is going to shape and impact our lives. So I'll be happy to share it with whoever wins.
All right. And the right kind of people who are the right audience for this book can comment in the video below and they can tell us why they deserve to win this book and we'll send it to you then. अच्छा, so the final tradition. हमारे जो भी गेस्ट आते हैं, they have to answer a question जो हमारे पिछले गेस्ट छोड़ के गए हैं, and then you also have to leave a question for the next guest. Luckily now, हमें नहीं पता होता हमारे next guest कौन होते हैं, but the questions that are left for the guests are always so appropriate. And when I was looking at the question that the last guest left for you, I realized it's a great match. So Umair मासूम आए थे, CEO of Myco, and he talked about the fact कि ना आजकल की जनरेशन में ये चीज़ है कि हमने हसल कल्चर, एंटरप्रेन्योरशिप को इतना हाइप अप कर दिया है कि रेगुलर जॉब्स कोई करना ही नहीं चाहता.
जो कि एक सोसाइटी का बड़ा इंपॉर्टेंट हिस्सा है बिकॉज
आम जॉब्स भी तो करनी है. So how can we inspire? His question is, how can we inspire the youth to focus on building careers instead of finding shortcuts?
When we put value to careers, because I believe in the hustle, I believe in the entrepreneurial culture, but I also believe that traditional careers also shape your thinking process. It exposes you on how to structure your organization. It also tells you how to go about it. If you're setting up a business, what's the most effective way of setting up that business? So you only learn that once you're in an established organization, and people need to to realize that yes, it is good to have short-term success if you start up a new business, but वो फिर long term पे उसको scale करना will be very tricky.
So it's not like I think most of the time people look down at a 9 to 5. But our last guest also said that उन्होंने अपनी company, he started it in his 40s after working, and that is why he's so good at his job.
That's exactly the thing. And I totally agree. Even my kids think कि 9 to 5 job तो बिल्कुल waste of life है. But again, this mindset comes from this kind of dream of easy success. There is no such thing as easy success. Every success has got a lot of blood and sweat behind it. Even if you look at Jeff Bezos, he had a full-time career before he started Amazon. So
Yeah.
one should look at how people have achieved or gotten where they are rather than just focusing on that bit कि ये तो बहुत बड़ी success है तो मैं भी ऐसी हो जाता हूँ. So there is a lot
Yeah.
of hard work and sweat behind that.
Great answer. And what will be the question you leave behind for our next guest? हमें नहीं पता, as usual वो कौन होंगे, so you can ask whatever you want.
What impact are you creating for the country?
Patriotic cuisine. She's a green question. Okay, that's nice. Thank you so much for your time and this conversation, Tazeen. It was so fun, and you helped me understand the HR universe a bit better. And I feel like our audience also understood and learned a lot of new things. HR is not boring.
I hope
HR
not.
is not just a police. And, we can have fun and we can learn together. So thank you so much for the conversation.
Thank you so much for inviting me, Asma. It was lovely.
Okay. So this is it for the episode, guys. We'll see you next time then. Bye.